Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name's Waode Reskita Nurwahyuningsih, and my registration numbers A1M219-120. I'm going to present about should people do Sinovac vaccine. The purpose of this presentation is for the community to be vaccinated against the spread of the COVID-19 epidemic, and I have divided my presentations into several points, namely, firstly, what is the Sinovac vaccine? Secondly, how does the Sinovac vaccine work? And thirdly, why should people be vaccinated? Let's start with what is the Sinovac vaccine? The Sinovac vaccine is an inactivated vaccine or dead virus. Previously, the virus had been genetically destroyed or killed by chemicals, heat, or radiation, so that when it is injected into humans, it doesn't cause a problem because the genetic material has been damaged so it can replicate. However, because the spike protein is intact, it can be a learning object for humans to fight against. In short, the inactivated vaccine is a vaccine that uses a weak or inactivated version of the virus to provoke an immune response. Inactivated vaccine requires several doses over time to gain sustained immunity against the disease. Next, how does Sinovac vaccine work? From various sources that I have obtained as reported by The Verge, the Sinovac vaccine works by exposing a small part of the virus so that the immune system can learn to identify the source of the disease. By giving more than one dose of vaccine means increasing the possibility of the body immune system to study the virus and look for ways to ward off further infection. This is because the immune system needs longer exposure to find out how to effectively fight the virus. Vaccine help the immune system first trigger the production of specific antibodies so that it is better prepared when the original virus enters. As we have seen, vaccines are given twice to give the body's immune system the opportunity to produce more antibodies. They also provide the body with a strong supply of a memory cell against a virus, so that the body has a long enough memory against certain viruses after exposure. Finally, why should we get vaccinated? COVID-19 vaccination aims to create herd immunity and individual immunity to the coronavirus. Therefore, everyone must get a vaccine, whether they have been confirmed positive for COVID-19 or those who have not, because the majority of people in Indonesia, the majority do not experience symptoms or mild symptoms. Therefore, the possibility of developing antibodies to the body is so small that it needs to be vaccinated. As we know, our President, Mr. Joko Widodo, was the first person to be injected with a vaccine in Indonesia. He provides a good example for his community to want to be vaccinated because all this is for the good of us together. However, there are still many pros and cons from the community regarding the Sinovac vaccine. Most Indonesians are willing to accept the COVID-19 vaccines according to the result of a national survey published by the Ministry of Health last November. However, there are also many responses from the public who do not want to be vaccinated for various reasons such as not sure about the safety of the vaccine, not sure about the effectiveness, fear of side effects for health, to reason of religious belief and other reasons. Apart from the various information circulating in the community about this vaccine, I agree with the government that has provided vaccine for the community to break the COVID-19 virus. We must be sure that this vaccine can increase our body immunity to fight the COVID-19 virus and has gone through various trials and has received the MUI label Indonesian Ulama Council. Of course, this vaccine was made to cut the spread of the COVID-19 outbreak, which has threatened mankind. Of course, we don't want to linger in this COVID-19 virus pandemic. There have been many victims from this virus outbreak. We must rise up. We must support the government effort to cut the COVID-19 virus outbreak by being vaccinated, because all of this is for our health, so that our immunity will be stronger, so that this pandemic can end soon. Lastly, I can conclude that the Indonesian government's program is making this vaccination part of the COVID-19 pandemic response strategy. The government will only provide vaccines that are proven safe and pass clinical trials as recommended. The Sinovac vaccine has been created, has gone through various trials, and has received the MUI Indonesian Ulama Council label. In general, vaccines work by stimulating the formation of specific immunity against bacteria or viruses that cause certain disease, so that if exposed, a person will be able to avoid infection or become seriously due to the disease. We have to get up. We must support the government's effort to cut the COVID-19 virus outbreak by being vaccinated and still adhering to health protocols even though it has been vaccinated. Keep our health, always use a mask if you want to be travel, and always keep your distance. I think that's all my speech. Hopefully my brief description of should people do Sinovac vaccine can benefit all of us. Finally, I apologize if there are some mistakes in the words of my speech. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.